The global AI race may have just had its next big shock moment. Because after DeepSeek rattled Silicon Valley last year with a powerful low-cost AI model, the world thought the story was simple. The US leads in performance, China leads in price. But that narrative may be changing again. A new model called GLM 5.2, launched by Beijing-based startup Z.AI, is now turning heads across the global tech industry and even making its way into Silicon Valley conversations. And the reason is simple. It may be cheap, but it is not weak. Early reports suggest GLM 5.2 performs strongly in coding tasks and at what experts call agentic AI, systems that don't just respond, but actually execute complex tasks on their own with minimal prompting. In fact, in some benchmark rankings, it is now being compared directly with top-tier models from OpenAI and Anthropic. And that has triggered what many are calling a mini DeepSeek moment. Because once again, a Chinese AI model is challenging the assumption that cutting-edge AI must come with a Silicon Valley price tag. What's even more striking is how fast it is gaining traction. On developer platforms like OpenRouter, GLM 5.2 has quickly climbed usage charts, and in some cases even overtaken models from major US players in popularity among developers. Interesting. That's not just hype, that's real usage. And industry voices are starting to take notice. Some tech leaders say the model is surprisingly close to Western frontier models in capability, especially in coding and front-end development tasks, while costing significantly less to run. But this is where the story gets bigger than just performance. Because GLM 5.2 is now sitting at the center of a much larger question in global tech. Is China finally closing the gap with the United States in the AI race? On one side, US companies like OpenAI and Anthropic continue to dominate with massive funding, infrastructure, and cutting-edge research. On the other side, Chinese startups are rapidly pushing out open wet models that are cheaper, easier to deploy, and increasingly competitive. The reality is not a clean competition. Because when interest is rising, Western companies remain cautious about adopting Chinese AI models at scale, especially in the sectors like banking, cybersecurity, and regulated industries where data security is a major concern. That said, adoption is not zero. In fact, smaller companies and startups are moving much faster because for them, cost often matters more than geopolitics. And that's where GLM 5.2 becomes important. It represents a shift in how AI is being consumed globally. We are slowly moving from expensive closed systems to more flexible, open, and plug-and-play models that developers can deploy almost instantly. Some experts even say this is lowering the barrier to entry for AI innovation itself. But the bigger question is still unanswered. Is this just another competitive cycle in AI development or the beginning of a deeper shift in global technological power? Because one thing is clear, the AI race is no longer just about who builds the smallest or the smartest model. It is also about who builds the most usable, scalable, and affordable intelligence for the world. And with GLM 5.2 now in the mix, that race just got a lot more intense. Keep watching Good Returns Wealth for more.